Hey Dakota, this is Mike Fortner, just looking over your post here on your uh, trampoline uh, action reaction pair. Got a question for you. If the same person uh, jumped on, let's just say a table, not a trampoline, so the surface he's impacting or she is impacting is different, but they're jumping from the same height, they weigh the same, everything like I was just saying. How is their impact force different than what you just described here? I'll go ahead and tell you. The impact force is not different at all. The action reaction pair is from the absolute initial touching of the person on the trampoline. As soon as that happens, the force applied by the person on the trampoline is the same as that's applied by a trampoline on person. The difference is that the trampoline is designed so it will give a little bit and it will absorb some of his energy, which will then, as you suggest, when that goes to being fully stored, then that will propel him back up to about the same height he started from, probably. But that's two different processes, so don't confuse the two. The action reaction pair occurs at the instant that the impact occurs. I hope that makes sense. If not, text me or email me. We'll talk about it. Go on.